Hello there! Today we are going to practice the passive voice. For some, it is quite difficult to use. Let's see. Are you ready? In English, we usually use the active voice, where the subject does the action. For example, the chef cooks the meal. Here, the chef is doing the action. In the passive voice, the focus changes. The object of the active sentence becomes the subject, so we say, "The meal is cooked by the chef." The passive voice is formed with be plus past participle. For example, the homework is finished. The windows were cleaned yesterday. The report will be completed tomorrow. As you can see, the verb to be changes tense to suit the sentence. We often use the passive voice when we don't know who did the action. For example, in "My bike was stolen." Also, we use it when the person who did the action isn't important, like in "English is spoken in many countries." In addition to that, we want to focus on the result instead of the person, so we could say, "The bridge was built in 2015. Remember, in the active sentence, we would say, "The students wrote the essay." But in the passive sentence, we would say, "The essay was written by the students." That's it! The passive voice helps us focus on the action or the result rather than the person doing it. Try changing an active sentence into a passive one, and you'll master it in no time. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!